Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Glossier Super Pure Serum, which is niacinamide and zinc. This is a really good ingredient for kind of blemish-prone skin. That's what it's most known for, but it's actually something that I think that everyone can benefit from. Niacinamide is known to treat redness, to kind of rebalance oily skin, and it's also kind of quite good at soothing, and it also helps unblock pores as well. I think one of the lesser known benefits of this is that it really does help with the barrier function of the skin. So in addition to treating like breakouts, it will also help soothe your skin if it's irritated in any type of way. So if perhaps you're using a retinol at night and it's making your face a little bit red or a little bit sore, then this could be something that you could either mix with it or just kind of add into your skincare routine during the day. In addition to the niacinamide, this has also got zinc in it, which works really well with this ingredient. They work really well together. And what the zinc does is it just helps like soothe down and calm the skin, as well as clearing out impurities. With continued use of this after like several months, I've noticed that my skin looks slightly paler. And I think the reason why that is that it's just simply helped to neutralize the redness within my skin and kind of make it look more calm, which leaves it looking a little bit paler and more porcelain-like. In terms of how it has affected my pores, I don't get breakouts on my skin, but I do get like congested pores around my nose. I feel like it's helped a little bit, but I'm also using acids, and retinol does also help with that. So I think that in combination of using like an acid, a retinol, and this is definitely helped reduce my pore size and unclog them. I know that so many people with breakouts have said that niacinamide has literally transformed their skin. So I think that if that is something that you're tackling, then this could be something that you should definitely consider. And if you use it in combination with something like salicylic acid, then you're definitely on the right path. As I'm someone that loves to use retinol, especially during the winter when it's less sunny, I love to use this in combination. So what I usually do is apply my retinol first at night and then put a couple of drops of this on top. If I am using it during the day, which I do like to do sometimes, then I find that it mixes really, really well with hyaluronic acid. So I just kind of add a few drops to my hyaluronic acid serum and then just apply it over as normal. I think that's everything that you need to know about this product. The Glossier is kind of relatively good value for money because you get like a good concentrated dose of niacinamide. It's not the cheapest on the market. The bottle is only 15 ml, but it definitely is more cost effective than other niacinamide serums out there. I hope that you found this useful. If you've got any other questions, let me know in the comments down below and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.